this! Let's make today amazing!
The fairies shared a garden. Then the mist crept in. Polly was first, but the path felt strange. Nelly's fairy flowers were nowhere to be found. Bellina sensed something shifting beneath the garden.
Wait, why are my flowers over there?
The lines blurred. No one knew what was theirs.
Someone's messed with the ground. We fix it now.
Maybe the forest's changing. Why not listen, not fear?
Bellina saw it. The soil was shifting on purpose.
Mist is breathing through the trees. Whispers twist the melody. Paths are fading, leaves asleep, but a light begins to gleam. In the silence, something sings.
Voices twisted in the fog. What was said and heard changed.
This mist is hostile. I won't stand undefended.
You're fueling the fear. Let the forest speak.
Bellina intervened, but the air buzzed with tension. Beneath the mist, the witch's touch began to spread. In the fog, caution felt like an attack.
You want control again? Over my roots? Never.
You've lost all discipline, Polly. Stop! This isn't who we are.
The land cried out, tearing apart what once stood united. Nelly felt the cost of suspicion, deeper than any cut.
I just wanted to protect the wild.
In the heart of division, Bellina chose harmony, not silence. The mist trembled before the light, revealing more.
You're leading us in circles, Nelly.
Nelly's voice shook with anger, patience frayed by doubt.
Please. We can't fight the mist if we fight each other.
The mist fed on their anger, warping the forest.
If you won't trust me, I'll make my own path.
In fear, pride, and betrayal, the mist grew thick.